We found several cryptocurrencies that stood out from the rest, but the top cryptos were 7 projects that offered something unique. Since we've identified the 7 best cryptos to invest in 2022, let's take a closer look at each to determine what makes them special. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, to remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Battle Infinity, overall best cryptocurrency. Battle Infinity is an NFT-based fantasy sports game enabling players to access 6 platforms. Players can buy the platform's native token, IBAT, on BattleSwap. That's the game's decentralized exchange, allowing players to sell their rewards for other currencies. It's in Battle Market that players can get NFTs to their avatars. Players can use NFTs to add clothes and fashionable accessories to their characters. That's available in Battle Market. They can even change the character's hair before entering Battle Arena, where they explore the metaverse with VR headsets. That's where players can meet other players and chat in real time. IBA to Premier League is where the main action takes place. Players need NFT passes to enter leagues and matches. It's in the Premier League that players build teams and budget to pick out new players. But the best part about this game is that players can earn while entertaining themselves. Battle Stake enables players to earn rewards as they compete. That platform offers the highest rewards to the best player and enables players to choose between solo, duo, and crates staking. Another way to earn from staking is via the global staking pool. Half of IBAT transaction fees enter the pool, which distributes rewards to the most active players. Players who like options can access Battle Games, which provides multiple games. To buy discounted IBAT, players should do it during the presale. The good news is that the presale started on 11 July 2022 and is running now until 10 October 2022. Each IBAT costs only $0.15. Number 2. Lucky Block, popular competition platform. Another of the best cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022 is LBLOCK. It's the native token of the Lucky Block platform, which offers rewards to participants. Lucky Block has transformed itself into an NFT competition platform, offering players a chance to win the main prize of $50,000. Players receive the main prize in LBLOCK. To partake in draws, players access the Platinum Rollers Club NFT and buy 5 tickets, each valued at $1. The platform hosts a weekly main draw and even an NFT draw on Fridays. Another way that players may earn is by buying LBLOCK and holding it as an investment. The coin has shown that it can go on epic bull runs. In February 2022, it took LBLOCK only 2 weeks to provide investors with 1,100% returns. Those are massive gains for such a short period. That's the reason LBLOCK is one of the best cryptos to invest in. Lucky Block is constantly looking for ways to develop its platform, and it's done that by working on a feature that enables players to buy NFTs with fiat currency. The other development is the second version of its native coin. Lucky Block developed an ERC20 coin so that it can list it on centralized exchanges. The platform has been successful so far as LBLOCK is listed on MEXC and LBank. Number 3. DEFI coin, leader in the DeFi ecosystem. Blockchain was developed so that individuals could transact without the need for a third party. That's the reason decentralized finance, the DeFi, has become so popular. And at the helm of DeFi is DeFi coin. The easiest way to buy DeFi coin is on its native exchange, DeFi Swap. Besides offering users the ability to conduct peer-to-peer transactions affordably and efficiently, DeFi coin also has provided significant returns for investors. After an initial launch delay, DeFi coin ended up surging 300% within hours. Another great way to earn from DeFi coin is via staking. That entails investors to lock in the coin on DeFi Swap for a certain period. By doing so, investors can earn up to 75% interest per annum. Number 4. XRP, top-rated global payments coin. A coin that has managed to stay in the top 10 crypto coins by market capitalization despite a US SEC lawsuit is XRP. It was created by fintech company Ripple to enable people to send money globally affordably and efficiently. That's exactly what they've managed to achieve, since it takes less than a minute to send XRP from one wallet to another, and it costs a few cents. The other thing that Ripple is working on is NFTs. It wants to offer investors an easy way to buy NFTs, so it's working on integrating NFTs into its ledger. Number 5. Bitcoin Cash, efficient and affordable BTC alternative. Investors who are looking for a Bitcoin alternative may find it with Bitcoin Cash (BCH). While Bitcoin is currently trading at around $20,000, BCH is just over $100. The key difference between BTC and BCH is not only the cost price of the coin, but also fees and efficiency. Bitcoin Cash can be transferred across the world in a few seconds. Its transaction fees cost a few cents, while Bitcoin's fees are a few dollars, and it can take several minutes to an hour for BTC to reach the end user. BCH was a fork of BTC for the simple reason that Bitcoin was expensive and slow. BCH may not be as popular as BTC, but it solves all the problems associated with Bitcoin. Number 6. Avalanche, popular scalability coin. One of the main attractions of blockchain is efficiency. Transactions via traditional houses such as banks can take several days to reflect on the beneficiary's side. Blockchain projects such as Avalanche have significantly expedited that process by integrating 3 networks. Avalanche works on platform chain, contract chain, and exchange chain. Each chain offers users certain benefits. But what makes this platform great is that the combination of these chains makes transacting quick and the network resilient. Avalanche competes for the same market as Ethereum because their offerings are similar, and some investors believe that it may prove to be a stiff competitor to Ethereum's project. Number 7. Stellar Lumens, famous cross-border payments coin. When some investors think of Stellar Lumens XLM, they think of XRP. That's because the two coins have similar benefits and features. XLM also offers fast cross-border payments at a low cost. But the platform has expanded to offer other benefits to investors. Developers can use the Stellar Lumens network to build apps, issue assets, and connect with the developer community. But the best part about holding XLM is the returns that investors may earn. XLM has gone epic bull runs, providing investors with more than 10x returns. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.